Myself Kangaraju Velli, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. We already discussed what is shaft, what are the uses of shaft, and what are the types of shaft, and torque equation. Using these torque equation, today we discuss some of the important problems. Let's see. This is one of the important basic problem. Okay, in this problem, our question is a solid shaft is required to transmit torque of 20 kilonewton meter. Find the necessary diameter of the shaft if the allowable shear stress is 70 Newton per mm square. Already we discussed. If design any shaft, we want what are the stresses and torque and diameter. After that, we design a shaft. Let's see in this problem. Shafts are divided mainly. Consider two types. Already we know that solid shaft, hollow shaft. Okay. In this question is for solid shaft. Okay. Let's see what are the given data is. Our given data in this one. In this question, given data is transmit torque. Torque is denoted by T, 20 kilo Newton meter. Okay, converted into mm, Newton mm. Then 20 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton mm. Okay, let's see. Allowable shear stress is allowable shear stress always denoted tau. Tau is equal to 70 Newton per mm square. Okay. Next, coming to first, find out in this question to find out the diameter. How to find out? Using solid. This is a solid shaft. In this solid shaft, torque equation T is equal to pi d cube by 16. Pi d cube by 16 into tau. Okay, this is a for solid shaft equation. Okay, using this equation, find out the diameter. Let's substitute T. Already we know that T value and tau value. We don't know D value. Then find out the D value. Let's see. D is equal to 16T by pi into tau. Cube. This is a cube. D cube is equal to 16T by pi into tau. Let's D is equal to cube root of. Then substitute T value and tau value. T value, this is a cube root of 16 into T value is a 20 into 10 to the power of 20 into 10 to the power of 6 by pi into tau. Tau is equal to 70. Tau is equal to 70. Let's find out these values. Is equal to, let's approximately 113 mm. Find out this equation using your calculus. Let's D is equal to 113 mm. Okay, diameter always in mm or meter. Let's see again. Solid shaft is required to transmit 20 kilonewton meter, and transmit the torque is 20 kilonewton meter, and allowable shear stress is 70 Newton per mm square. We know these two only. Let's using solid shaft torque equation pi into d cube by 16 into tau. Let's substitute T value and tau value in this one. Then D is equal to under cube root of 16T by pi into tau. Let's substitute these two values. Our solution. Let's a solid shaft. This is also solid shaft. but is given transmit the power. Transmit the power. In this one, transmit torque is given, and power is equal to 560 kilowatts at 300 rpm. Speed 300 rpm. The maximum shear stress of the material is 60 Newton per mm square. Find the suitable diameter. This is also in this question also we find out the diameter of the shaft. Okay. Then in this question our given data is most important. If any solving of the any problem, first of all we find out the given data. In this one, power P is equal to 560 kilowatts. In this one, kilowatts converted into watts. 6 into 10 to the power cube watts. Next, another given data at 300 rpm. Speed is always denoted by n 300 rpm. Next, shear stress of the material. Shear stress is denoted by tau is equal to 60 Newton per mm square. Okay, let's find out the diameter. In this one, what is difference between these two questions? In this first question is given transmit of torque and shear stress only, and in this one, in this second question is given power, speed and tau, shear stress. Let's find out the diameter of the shaft. In this one, power. In this question, we don't know, is not given a T, torque. Torque is not given. That's why find out the first torque. Let's using power formula. P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Why I am using this power formula? In this power formula, we have in this question we have P value and N value. That's why using this power formula, T is equal to 60 into P by 2 pi N. This is the torque. Torque is equal to 16 P or P into 60 by 2 pi N. Then substitute P value and N value. 60 into P value already we know 560 into 10 to the power of 3 by 2 pi N. N is equal to 300. Okay. In this torque value is use your calculus and find out this torque value, and torque value is approximately 17863 into 10 cube Newton mm. This is approximately this value. Okay. Next, after that, find out the diameter using solid shaft. For solid shaft equation. Solid shaft torque equation is already we know that T is equal to pi d cube by 16 into tau. Then substitute T value and tau value. Let's find out the diameter. Let's see. In this formula, D is equal to 16T. 16 into T by pi into tau. This is a cube root of D is equal to cube root of 16T by pi into tau. Let's substitute cube root of 16 into T value 17,863 into 10 to the power of 3 by pi into tau. Tau value 60. Okay, let's find out using your calculus. D is equal to approximately 114 mm. Okay, this is our answer in this question. Okay, let's see again. A solid shaft transmit 560 kilowatts power at 300 rpm. The maximum shear stress of the material is 60 Newton per mm square. Find the suitable of the diameter of the shaft. Let's see. Given data is in this question P n tau. P means power is equal to 560 kilowatts converted into watts. 560 into 10 to the power of cube watts. Next, n is equal to 300 rpm. Tau is equal to 60 Newton per mm square. Let's see diameter. In this question is not given T. Then find out the torque. Torque is equal to already we know for solid shaft. Then using power formula 2 pi nt by 60. Then substitute n value and P. Let's see. T is equal to 1763 into 10 cube Newton mm. Then substitute this T value, torque value in for solid shaft torque equation. Let's see. B is equal to under cube root of 16t by pi into tau. Let's substitute T and tau values. D is equal to cube root of 16 into 17863 into 10 cube by pi into 60. Let's do approximately D is equal to 114 mm. Okay, this is our second question. Next class we discuss another problems, different problems, important problems. Thank you.